The official introduction of the Samsung Galaxy S23 series is just a few weeks away. When it does arrive, it will have to fill enormous shoes in order to surpass the iPhone 14 Pro. There are even some reports that give us optimism that we will finally see an Android handset that can compete with the iPhone. So let's explore what the next Galaxy S23 would have to offer in order to outperform the strong iPhone 14. Apple introduced emergency SOS via satellite with its brand new smartphone, the iPhone 14, in September 2022. You'll be glad to know that Samsung may include this function in their next S23 series, which could be the first Android handset to do so. According to ET News, Samsung is collaborating with Iridium Communication to use its 66 low-orbit satellites to give last resort connectivity in an emergency. Another significant change will most likely be the processor. As you may be aware, Qualcomm unveiled its latest processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which will be the most significant upgrade to the upcoming S23 series. On the Geekbench 5 benchmark, Gen 2 achieves very impressive results. Apple's Bionic chips were used in the Domino's test. However, in multi-core performance, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 comes close to defeating the Bionic A16. The iPhone 14 has a 1727 single-core score, which the iPhone 14 Pro has increased to 1882. In any case, reports say that Samsung will use a customized version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in the S23 series. In terms of design, the Samsung Galaxy S23 series may have a similar appearance to the Galaxy S22 series. According to Ice Universe, the bezel of the S23 may become thicker. We don't know why the bezel was increased, but it could be to boost durability, but we'll see what happens. The colors of the Galaxy S23 are expected to be beige, black, green, and light pink at launch. But Samsung likes to change things up and offer special hues that can only be obtained by purchasing from its own store. Another update we could see in the S23 series is a better screen, which could include a latest 12th Gen Super AMOLED display with a peak brightness of 2200 nits. It is also supposed to have a touch sampling rate of 962 Hz for a smooth rate of response. Furthermore, the new Samsung display is expected to be 45% more energy efficient than its predecessor. Not only that, but this Super AMOLED panel may be the first to include LTPO 3.0. While there isn't much information about it, some speculate that it will be more energy efficient. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is expected to get more than just a brighter display and LTPO 3.0. According to another claim on Sam Mobile, this forthcoming smartphone may include the latest Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max fingerprint reader. Furthermore, they may launch a Gorilla Glass with better protection, similar to Apple's Sapphire Glass. Regarding the camera, Samsung might deliver a huge boost in camera quality with the upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra. According to Ice Universe recent post, which mainly shows a camera comparison of the unreleased Galaxy S23 Ultra versus S22 Ultra and Google Pixel 7. The comparison comes with a simple challenge, and that is which image looks best when zoomed into 100%, while the Galaxy S22 Ultra sample contains more details compared to Galaxy S22 Ultra. All thanks to a new 200-megapixel sensor, it not only ensures more sharpness, but also contains a wide range of color accuracy. In terms of release date, the future smartphone Samsung Galaxy S23 series could appear on 8th of February 2023. However, other reports claim Samsung is aiming for a mid-January release. In conclusion, as the next year approaches, our anticipation for the forthcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 grows. According to several speculations on trustworthy tech websites, we believe that Samsung took everything seriously with the next S23 series in order to defeat the iPhone 14 series. It might have the brightest display, the best camera, and a bespoke Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU. By combining all of these features, we believe it will be a fantastic smartphone to say the least. That concludes our today's effort. Let us know what you know about the impending Galaxy S23 series in the comments area below. And as always, thanks for watching our video. If you found this video useful, please like and share it with your friends. And please subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this in your feed.